Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I try to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme X1 Max device by adding the application into the game space. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic, as you can see. So CPU throttling test in the Realme X1 Max only using the game space, which is a pro gamer mode, and do not turn on the high performance mode. As you can see, leave it in the smart performance mode. That is what I'm going to exactly do in this kind of scenario. Right now I did add the CPU throttling into the game space, as you can see exactly. And I did clear everything from the background. There's no applications running in the background right now at this moment. And in the game space, you do have the option which is a pro gamer mode. Let me just show you where you can actually find that. So once you swipe to the left side, you'll get this kind of option. So here there's an option which is called a performance mode. So right now you need to select to the pro gamer mode option, as you can see exactly. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use only game space and I'll try to run the CPU throttling test. Let's see what will be the CPU throttling results and how much the temperatures also can it increase. That is what I'm going to exactly check without using any high performance mode. No, without using any kind of high performance mode, and I'm trying to keep the brightness of close to 50% brightness as well during the process of demonstration. Let's check the temperatures. In the beginning it's kind of close to 31 degrees, 32 degrees only. It's pretty normal, as you can see, because my room temperature is only 30 degrees. As you can see friends, nothing much difference. So this is a very basic test which I'm trying to start. Let's see how higher the temperatures can actually go in the Realme X1 Max device. Just a couple of hours ago, I did upload a video on the Realme X1 Max regarding the CPU throttling. I'm not sure whether you will be able to, you did watch that video or not. But in this video, the temperatures increased up to 40 degrees. As you can see, 40 degrees, the temperature increased in the Realme X1 Max. Without using any kind of game space, no performance mode, nothing at all. But right now, with only game space and pro gamer mode, so let's check what will be the temperatures and what will be the performance of the graph. That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. So this is going to be really very interesting. So 33.4 degrees right now increased. 1 degree it's increasing, 34.2. As you can see the temperature with the time how it's increasing. And let's see what will be the situation. So this is my first time doing this kind of testing. So without using any kind of extra enhancements. So only game space and pro gamer mode. So this will be the result we'll be getting right now. So again I'll be back after some time. Let's see friends, by using this kind of method we can actually expect any kind of difference or not. I'll try to compare this graph versus previous graph, whatever I got. I'll try to compare both graphs, so then you will be able to feel the difference. Is it kind of helpful or not? So right now by the time 1 minute of time, 36 degrees, as you can see how the temperatures are increasing. So 36 degrees. Let's check what will be the maximum temperature recorded in the Realme X1 Max device. What is the maximum? That is what I'm going to check here. So again I'll be back close to 5 minutes of time. So at that time again we can measure what is the temperatures in the Realme X1 Max device after 5 minutes of time. So right now as you can see friends, we are kind of close to I think 7 minutes of time. Let's check the 7 minutes. 40.2 degrees, 40.4 degrees, as you can see. So 40.4 is the highest temperature reached. 40.6. So 40.6 is the highest temperature reached in the Realme X1 Max using the only game space, using the pro gamer mode only. So if you try to select this option, this is how the temperature did increase. So not now, even before also we did see the same kind of temperature increasing in the Realme X1 Max. So whenever we do this kind of testing. So 40.6 is the highest temperature in the Realme X1 Max we did get. On the back side, let me try to check on the back side, I forgot. So 38.6, 38.8, 38.6, not bad. So 38 degrees overall we did get on the back side, as you can see 38.8 degrees on the back side. And 40.2 degrees we got on the front side. So 40.2 degrees on the front side, as you can clearly see friends, the temperatures. So we got here, as you can see exactly. So I can be back after a couple of minutes, so then we can actually discuss what is the temperature and score at that time. So right now we are getting close to 15 minutes of time. Right now the time is about 14 minutes. As you can see the temperature is still remaining around 40 degrees, as you can see friends, exactly 40 degrees right now. So 40.4 degrees is the temperatures. So this is a graph using with the game space pro gamer mode only, so without turning on any kind of high performance mode, nothing at all. So these are the results which we got right now. Let's see how much the CPU will be throttled at this moment. That is what I'm going to exactly check, because in my previous videos I did see the CPU throttling up to 83% and 82%. So whether using only the game space, will it impact any kind of those results or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of demonstration on this Realme X1 Max device. Even I want to know the results of this phone as well myself. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible in my channel, so which might be useful for plenty of users as well. So right now it's kind of close to 15 minutes. Yes, so the test has been finished and the CPU throttle up to 76% only using this game space pro gamer mode. So now let's compare the graph before. So before what we got without any kind of adjustments. So this is exact graph which I've taken today, I think today around maybe a couple of hours ago. No adjustment. So without any kind of enhancement option, I did do this kind of CPU throttling. You can see the graph. So it's kind of 83% of the CPU throttling, and the maximum number 323, 291, and the minimum 263 without using any kind of adjustment, just as it is. But if you use the game space and pro gamer mode, as you can see right now, just now we did. So these are the screenshot which are taken, and you can see 327 and average 288 and minimum 240. As you can see, friends, let's compare side by side. Now you'll be able to understand clearly. As you can see, so before without using anything, the average and the minimum was really good. So without no adjustment, we got 291 and 263, and with some adjustments, game space and the program mode, the average and the minimum score decreased, as you can see. And the CPU also throttled a little bit kind of more, so 76% got throttle, and before it was only 86% of throttling has happened. So using game space and without using game space, you can compare both scenarios. But the temperature remained same, exactly same temperatures you got as before itself. There's nothing much change in the temperatures. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. And in case if you want me to use any other different settings, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do my best to post the video as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.